1 Wyman Road in Suba. How's it, Demesi?
It's good in
Long time no see, my brother.
2 days,
Just
2 days,
2
Mika.
days.
Where were you?
I was in the home.
Okay.
So
What were you doing in the home?
I was doing.
Okay.
See the weather outside.
Yeah.
It's blue.
Okay, what
The
did you do?
weather itself say the windy is winter.
All right.
The weather is.
What did you do to the weather?
The weather is become belong me.
Okay. Warna flip-flop.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining this morning to all the students celebrating their 2 weeks holiday.
Okay.
Now it's this day.
Yeah.
There are only some days
Okay.
are left for
Yeah.
us this morning.
Wow.
Okay. Right, good morning to you too.
Ano benaka, Demesi, ano benaka, Mika?
Good morning to all those tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
I want to say good morning to Jay Timbiu.
Oh,
If you're
sir.
tuning in this morning, a very good morning to you.
Ha.
And also Ben Valentine.
Julum.
Somewhere around in Suba. Going around the Kakeg. This one, the J0304.
Okay.
Tuning in also this morning to BTFM.
Prasad Jemina is joining from
Who's?
Germany.
Oi!
Yeah.
Oi.
Chusibata Turanga, thank you very much for
Yara.
joining. This one from Lau Tokyo.
All
Ayan,
right.
ano benaka.
Thank you.
Ano benaka, Tadengku, Baby Dubs, kay na LT1230.
Right.
We say good morning to Moses Rosobo and the family. Ano benaka, berbito kan yan matang di kuwa. Dita kini wa bulum-bulum na kasi turang tay.
Right.
Moses Rosobo kay na Bubali.
Ayo.
And napakatabi siya nga. To all the friends tuning in from overseas.
Right.
The Fijian diaspora and nabiya si buru-buru tapang di borong ulbikina.
Iya.
Ni Andra ni mata binaka.
Staff ni loss prevention yang ramo itungo na bongi bakara no sukang go. Ulu itonga malo.
Bulunaka.
Setepa no bitimo umtui mu amer kumbuna batike binaka.
Right.
Thank you.
Binaka.
Iya,
Binaka
binaka.
siapa binaka?
Iyo binaka.
Binaka.
Right.
Ayo serang aja.
Don't binaka serang.
Thank you.
To the squad 2 now is joining. This
Yeah.
morning lambasa
Training.
jao.
Yeah.
Saberia branch.
Iyo.
Jo
Right.
may Michael ngango pon binaten na koroko enranu.
Iya.
Batike na mas.
Oh,
Saturday na.
warna. Demis, Nico Toro, how many times you use the, what you call it?
Rest
The
blade.
Batsintor.
I never use rest blade
Okay.
Hey!
for remover.
Iyo.
I just use that
Wax.
wax memang. I will just use that trimmer.
Oi.
Oi!
Yeah, trimmer. It's number half or one.
Oi. Right.
So your body loves the subniway? Or what?
I just keep the suminoy for hotness.
Oh, okay.
Tapi ba kata-kata rin na raking bata-bata ko na suminoy na buki ko. That's
That's
why
why
you see.
follow your tutua. Rest in peace,
No,
Makelo.
the Donanda.
Donanda.
No, the Donanda is for fancy.
Butu-butu daraba.
Down under is for fancy kind of thing.
Yeah, like the fancy and
The fashion.
Wakamo be very reservoir tukin sila.
Yeah, because we are on that.
Okay, this one,
Stage.
Vakatutu, I'm telling you.
Right.
How about you remove the mutu-mutu ni Katumba?
Yeah, mutu-mutu
Mika.
darab. Yeah, right.
Remove it and put it here.
Wala buwan ni. Nara matagali buwan ikaw bakato ka ng baingan na indun. O kaya sekel daw tubutal tungan laman ni ikaw. Na buwan ni.
Design bola benaka kay imbenga dio binabale sana sema. Yo benaka ya merua.
But see, to make you unique.
Yeah, unique.
There's no other Demesi in the
Right.
country
The one you copy.
as Demesi himself, Tamayabu.
Yeah.
So you remove the kuminime from
here.
underneath,
Yeah.
remove it here,
Right, put it
and shift it to your ngal-ngali here.
Tunang angor sati ko na takitoa. Mo ko na takita mata. Kono to taki.
Try.
Ah,
We're not joking, but we are saying something which can uplift your life.
may deactivate on the Facebook.
Hey, we say good morning to all the listeners tuning in from the bus,
Right.
from the taxi and the minivan,
Right.
especially to the listeners tuning
LOT.
from the Subanosori corridor.
Anda belakang.
We say Mbulubunak and thank you for so much
Right.
for tuning in this morning. Okay,
The manager and the coach of the Tambandamu Salayam Bola Laylay.
and Rabinak,
Mbulubunak.
right.
Right.
That's the what you call walking somewhere in the road.
Walking ceremony.
Walking ceremony na bibulbuluchi.
Yeah.
Okay, our story this morning. I had the story of sa Andu Basaranga.
This is the good story for them is to tell.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a story about Astora. So, ngoni tanong ang berarti ndara ka urungoda.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Astora.
yeah.
So if they lie,
if they lie, we lie.
all right.
So, it's not a lie.
Okay.
Because
No, I'm just saying because you're the king of lies.
yo to say. So, one day tama
Right.
Josie and Rabinaka.
Yeah.
So,
Ano rita?
there was everybody needs something to run a business
Okay.
Yeah.
to help you to make money,
All
Right.
gain profit from there.
Right.
Yeah.
Of
So
course.
there was a man who did gas us under the kase. When they was there in the village,
Yeah.
he wants to run a business. He think of selling copra.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
he was thinking to sell anything like Ndalo farm.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
but he wants to run a canteen.
Oi!
Yeah.
So he ran a canteen.
Right.
When he ran a canteen, the profit was good because there was no competitors
Yeah.
in the
No
village.
competition, eh?
Yeah, no
okay.
competition.
Right.
So the canteen promote to like supermarket.
Yeah, from to supermarket.
Right,
The
right.
profit was gained and was to build like a reform and continue and
Right.
going on.
Establish.
So, and they was there
Yeah.
in the home.
Yeah.
So he came back from another place.
Oi!
He came back from another place. He received a call
Yeah.
from the village people.
Yeah.
Hey, your store there have been crashed.
Oi.
Embos yung nung store.
Oi!
Candy Crush.
Candy crush siguro nakaka.
Yeah.
So
Who crash?
who crash? O din pasuka. Some people.
Yeah.
What the hell should they do?
Na rere ni kaya do. Erna numero ni koro ni lele buera basu.
Right.
Ambos kung buto ko din store basu.
Yeah.
Sangay buto ko.
Someone say canteen nga oyo. Yo.
Sangay when they leave whatever he was doing.
Yeah.
He runs to the village.
Iya, ni
to
buru-buru
check,
nambula.
Right.
to check what was happening.
Very far.
Very far. So half an hour drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he come. When he come like this, he checked everything.
Uh,
Everything was supposed to be taken.
Yeah.
Was there.
Right.
The food, the safe, the money there.
Yeah.
Was they live.
Yeah.
Everything that he know that will be taken by robbery.
Yeah.
But the robbers,
Yeah.
he was there.
Robbery with violence.
The robbery with the violence ko
Wait.
lagi sila.
Yang basu na lang ah.
Baso lalanga.
Oi.
Baso ka tumbaliw, baso ka tumbay muri. Bukan itu naya ako tantan membuto ko di.
Iyo.
Doar kayali. Elinga na ibol nindinaw. Nothing else. The main thing that was being taken, he was
They look
thinking
for
of.
they took out the safe, they opened the safe.
They opened the safe, they count, everything was there. Calculated.
All
equals,
balance.
All
Balance.
balance.
Iya, iya.
He checked all the food,
Yeah.
the flour, the rice,
Yeah.
the tin fish,
Number of tin
and
fish.
bell, counting,
Yeah.
everything balance.
Bue.
He checked outside, he checked the door.
Yeah.
The door was being damaged.
Right.
One whole people can
The
go
front
inside.
door, the back door.
The back door. In front,
Yeah.
the exit.
Yeah.
Check, everything was okay.
All damage.
The only thing was missing.
Yeah.
The book of death.
Yeah. Huh?
Nebol hindi na ngayon. Tugon ni record ka bondo ng butak yan. Nang dabur todo kan dakila. May matagal butak kaya nga kin nailabo na kakede.
Yeah.
Ko nang butak ko embitu na ilabo.
Yeah.
Embitu na kisini labo.
Yeah.
Embitu na ndrenga.
Right.
Embitu na kakana. Nabi kakan dan may butak ko di. Embitu. Elinga nebol hindi na.
Asa kira-kira maksud tu sama kagayman nga.
Yeah.
Who has the most dinaw
Yeah.
in the shop?
Ko sarang
Ya sira nga
From
namin
then
pala.
till now, they never caught the fella.
Si pero mo ni buton mo nandinoan mo ko na butak ka. Meron menong ngono ko. Rama mangara imbiu ta kana drone ka kede me pangkara si pero mo ni. Kamang matay na koli.
Bue.
Iyo. Si pero mo di
Police.
So the
Police.
power is in the volan in dinaw.
Iyo na pa ano tinga bolin dinaw.
Eh?
Iyo.
The value chuga kya?
Yeah.
Elele na value todo ko di kabur tegalo manisto.
Re.
Mata may rongo chuga kya.
Diturang elo sa buto kanisto ah.
Iya.
Daus tumang wa kebakain tuwe may tolu sulit tuwe pa na pakete.
Oy.
Right, gordo tara.
Right.
Jiro takin to, sila walin to.
Iyo sila walendo.
Ningono ko satu nang di Facebook eh.
Yeah.
Nag-imbiu na tamu niyo sila puno mundinaw mena koro.
Right.
Ebi nakatakir mo mukulak.
Baka nga ka na prefect na ni primary school. Isa wala na alam kay times 3. Watol bali masyado sa metini times 10. Eh binabala Punjas celebrating 90 years.
Saka.
Porque no canta.
Yeah.
Anda itu kutu bimbi nan
Din,
dinaw.
sir. Yeah.
Eh? So kada mesatsi ko nan dinaw da sumo balalay.
Right.
Ka kuno mo kutu taw tu na maglang talikina.
Sabi sukayan ra.
Kaga kede kanga ne bitala no.
Din, sir.
Ang bito ken stoker ke rodi sumo dona $20 madong. Dono mo binagati ko.
Right.
Eh no ko sabu ki gusiyo. Mo ko ngani sa pakadingui.
Iyo.
Onge pa pakananda ko menaka.
Iyo.
Endo dono mo no suma.
Right.
Eh?
Lihat tu mana dalam bos ya.
Iyo.
Basukan alium, basukan mur, katumbelu, mur.
Lalang tu ko ni sto
Basukan
embasu.
kede na kakede tang falo, tang aris, tang suka. Pangira kede ran cini sama ni kakede.
Kede.
Cini bul makaur, gari ran biskete, sobo na kam bisketi.
Wow.
Tapi kede se kabo na mone.
Iyo. Bagare ko ni polin dinaw.
Pangira ne bol dire. Boleh dino tonton ngangiali. Sambo ya awasana. Ono le bui.
Bue, bikin mana kanda mai iwi dems.
Manin drakor.
No, itu rambo.
Johnson rawe si kakaramu yang re. Oyo melle dale usande itu. Wei sabon di belaka. Wei use de kubu gas. Poni di minanu di ngara.
Mai sabi suka mi teman minum.
Kau ngana tugu ya. Tugu mimpi to sa pando taka.
Right.
Bikin mana to kentin mana koro. Ni maro binang ni bolin dinaw. Kisa nga pusta tu banong Facebook page meron na
Pusta
kilat.
kami mbati andre.
Benar-benar besar bito kare nama tagdi kuah kita selalu mambimbi tu yani. Maro churun bol pakai piso cukup boleh lenan raki. Kira lebih ante mer chungai bale ke pakai remani Sisili. Pala linga relus talmi bale. Wa sulu kata-kata mer maro tagdi chukuna sergi ni bulingo
Dina sara.
Alright, hat like patagana nomu share.
Jay that didn't say good morning.
Ha?
Jay that didn't say good morning.
Turang kemini tangan bele cipta kacumi kemuni.
Malo to malo yang rabina kato bina bale usara na isuri lebu. Urungan dan indra we ado na no na kuka. Sekan di kambana no na kuka.
Saya nggak setama kau yang bikin itu gini kuka ya.
Oh.
Sembadi kerea, sembadi kerea.
Iya.
Omong kereta itu.
Yang rasa apa bata? Zama bata.
Apa tak?
Balance nanti nau.
Yeah.
Wati.
Balance nanti na uyo sakit kau mau coach kau peneluri.
Ajina utale tu.
Alam tu na taman relebu na ilo katumu ko makasada la.
Aku kasar.
Tia tau ya burangingia.
Nana.
Hiyo kapena umi. Balawa. Wani ni minaka. Netokani.
Kurumu tu kok.